Hey, what's up, you guys? Jay here from Our Simple Adventures. I'm going to show you the big truck and give you an update to the channel. Be right back. Okay, so you guys probably have caught a glimpse of this in the past few videos. This is a 2008 F-250 Lariat. So it's got the 6.8 Triton V10. Yeah, I kind of wanted a diesel, the Power Stroke, but boy, those things they go fast. They go fast when they hit the market. This is the price range, you know, and I had my 16 Jeep that I didn't, you know, I sold that and bought this, and I didn't want to be in debt. So this 2008, 86,000 miles on it. Been well taken care of. Well taken care of. Got good tires on it. The running boards. The previous owner put airbags on it. See, he used it to tow a fifth wheel, and there's that fifth wheel or gooseneck ball hitch right there. Yeah, it's got the step. You know, the step comes out, goes down, makes it easy to step up in there. So it is set up to tow a fifth wheel already. I don't think I'll need those airbags to tow my travel trailer, but nice to know they're there. So yeah, all leather. It's got all the bells and whistles, some of which I didn't even know they had in 2008. I'll show you. But it's got the tow package, of course. There's your brake controller. Move your pedals back and forth. This is the slider. This is cool. This truck is so wide. You know, you get into a parking spot, or even just walking by it, those mirrors stick out. So I always put them in when I park. And when we're towing, yeah, they go out too. So that was a couple neat little features that I did not realize these trucks had. And we're set up to get going here. Got a dash cam here, a Viofo. It's a great dash cam if you guys want a reasonably priced cam. Gonna have my GPS right here. But yeah, that's just a little bit of the big truck. So this is Friday, and I'll post this video tomorrow morning, so you guys be watching it just at the morning. It's Friday afternoon right now, but yeah, we're waiting for RV Arizona to finish up the RV, which they said last week. We bought it on Saturday. They said it'd be a couple weeks, could be sooner. So I look forward to getting a call from them sometime soon here. Lisa, Hot Baked Italian, she gave her notice to her job. Her last day will be the third week of this month, April. So, and then we plan on moving into the RV. Three more weeks. You know, so 3 to 4 more weeks here. So yeah, we gave notice to the landlord on this place yesterday, actually. So in 5 weeks we're going to be on the road, and that I can't wait. So excited for that. Yeah, still got my 06 here that I'm gonna sell. I guess if any of you guys are interested in it, yeah, give me a shout out. And you're in Arizona or Phoenix area. So let's see what else. Well, that's about it, I think. Hey, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing. It's got 86,000 miles on it, like I said, and I don't think the brakes or the shocks have ever been done. Which, you know, it'd be now would be about the time to do them. So before we head out, I'm going to do the brakes and the shocks on the front, and probably after that I'll do the brakes and the shocks on the back too. So I've already got those bought over here. There's the discs. But anyway, hey, appreciate every single one of you guys. I subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see when I publish videos and where we're at in our next adventure. And share this with a like-minded person, somebody that might be interested. And if you need anything from Amazon, please use my Amazon associate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you a penny more, and it'll help the channel and help us to limit expenses and stay on the road. So love each and every one of you guys. We will catch you next weekend.